this year, a lot of millionaires have been made with meme coin trading. You've seen a lot of influencers becoming millionaires overnight, basically by trading the right meme coins. Some of y'all are wondering how are they able to do it? So guys, today I wanted to show you an unsaturated, untapped method some of these guys have been using to make their millions. And you know what? I'm gonna give you the sauce all for free. It's going to be for free. I'm not here to sell you a course. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to help you guys. When you think about meme coins, you think about trading, right? But I'm going to ask you a question. Who's the guy making the meme coin? No one knows, you know? But the guy that is actually deving, creating the meme coin is making a lot of money, even more than the traders. And you know what's the best part? He's not risking anything. He's just risking his starting capital. That's it. Whereas if you're trading and you enter a trade with $500, for example, if the trade goes sideways, you're losing these $500, man, you know? So that's why I think that creating meme coins is a better solution. It's a better method because if you put $500 into your meme coin and it doesn't work, bro, you're not losing the $500. You're just losing a small amount of SOL to the fees, and then you can just rinse and repeat until one of your coin blows up and you're making thousands, tens of thousands, and hundreds of thousands of dollars, guys. That's why I think it's a better method. So let me show you how it works. Today, I'm going to give you the entire meme coin dating blueprint. And the best part, like I said, for free. So like I said, why dev? Less risk, better for smaller capitals. You know, if you don't have a lot of capital, if you have $200, $500, $1,000, even sometimes if you have $100, you know, you don't need to have tens of thousands of dollars to start trading, start the meme coins. If you have a smaller capital, this method is perfect for you. So guys, I'm gonna show you how I personally launch my meme coins. It's with Mintrush.Fun. It's a platform that I'm gonna show you. I am not affiliated with them. I'm not getting paid by them. It's just a platform that I like to use. So let me just show you how it works. Here it is. So if it's your first time on the website, don't forget to connect your wallet here, or else you're not gonna be able to use the website basically. So yeah, look, you can create a token here. There's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So look, all these tokens, they have been created on Mintrush. So, I mean, they reached the $1 billion market caps. I hope one of these days, one of my coins is going to reach this market cap. But for now, let's focus with the videos. Here it is. But guys, what I really, really like about Mintrush, I mean, it looks good, it works well. But what I really like about it is their copy trending coin feature. So basically, guys, instead of doing a whole bunch of research, instead of going through TikTok, instead of going through Twitter and seeing what works, seeing what's the trend right now, what are KOLs tweeting about, Mintrush, what they do, they just list the trending meme coins on Pump.Fun, Pump.Fun. They just list them for you, and then you can just copy them with a simple click. It's super easy, super simple, and you know, the risk of failure is really, really minimized with the help of this feature because you're already launching something that already works. You know, it's something that has been, it's a narrative, it's a meme that has been proven to work because, you know, they only show you meme coins that reach the 50K, 30K, 40K market caps. So, you know, this risk of, you know, your coin of not really performing well, of not blowing up, it's basically put aside. So, you know, you can make more money. So for example, this coin here, Peak, you just click on create coin. Boom. So no worries, standard procedure, standard message on all platforms. You just proceed anyway. It's completely safe. I'm going to show you the entire process throughout the video. Confirm. Yes, I understand. Confirm. Wait a little bit and boom, guys, just like that, your token has been successfully created. You can check it on the Explorer, you know, just to see how your token is doing. That's the token Peak. So guys, now that your token has been successfully created, the next step would actually be creating the liquidity pool. So here guys, to create the liquidity pool, you would just put around like 0.2 SOL here. Here you would put around 900 million of your tokens. So it's basically 90% of your supply. Then guys, you're going to click on the add liquidity button here. It's going to show you the transaction. So no worries guys, like I said again, it's completely standard. You can just proceed anyway, safely, confirm. And guys, as soon as you're going to confirm this, your liquidity pool is going to be created. So I'm going to show you the next step then. So guys, now our liquidity pool has been successfully created. So you would just click on the refresh button here, refresh until your liquidity pool shows up at the bottom. So guys, we're just going to wait a little bit and then I'm going to show you how it looks like. So guys, after refreshing, that's what our liquidity pool looks like. So we're already $42 in profit. So guys, now the next step would be to actually wait a couple of hours, to see if influencers are going to start buying your coin, if KOLs are going to start buying your coin, if you're going to start, trending on Twitter. What you can also do, you can make a Twitter account, you can make a Telegram for your token. For this video, no need for it. But for now, I'm gonna wait a couple of hours and see how it's looking like, guys. See you. So look, guys, after a couple of hours, this is what our coin is looking like. Guys, this is absolutely crazy. We are more than $234,000 in profit. That's absolutely insane. We have more than 1,352 sold in the liquidity pool. Crazy, guys. And to show you that I'm not capping, to show you that everything is legit in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you the remove liquidity transaction, So basically, if you select 100% here, remove 100%, you're gonna receive back 1,352 sold back in your wallet. Just to show you guys, I'm not gonna remove anything, but it's just to show you the transaction to show you that it's actually legit, guys. So let me click and remove. So look, guys, that's actually crazy. So if I ever confirm this transaction, I would receive back 1,352 sold in my wallet and the remaining peak tokens in the liquidity pool, which is absolutely crazy. So I'm just going to wait a little bit more to see how the coin is doing. I'm going to sell the 100 million coins that I kept for myself. Remember when we created liquidity pool, we put 900 million tokens in the liquidity pool. I kept 100 million tokens. So for guys asking how are you actually making money with this method, even though your coin reaches $1 billion market cap? So because I kept for myself 10% of the supply, I would just sell this 10% to the current for the current price and make my profit this way. Other people, unethical people, what they do, they simply remove the liquidity pool. It's another method that works. I wouldn't really advise for this, but profits are really, really big. But it's unethical. It's kind of, it's not good, guys. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. See you.